Butter someone up. To flatter someone to gain favor. He tried to butter up his boss before asking for a raise. Stop buttering me up. What do you want? In a pickle. In a difficult situation. I forgot my wallet and now I'm in a pickle. She got herself in a pickle by lying to her boss. Egg on one's face. To be embarrassed. He had egg on his face after forgetting his speech. She got egg on her face when she failed the test she bragged about. Eat someone alive. To strongly criticize or defeat someone. The boss ate him alive for missing the deadline. The teacher will eat you alive if you come in without your homework again today. Chew the fat. To have a long, informal conversation. We sat by the fire and chewed the fat all night. I love chewing the fat with my grandparents. Cool beans. A fun way to say awesome or great. You got tickets to the concert? Cool beans. We have a long weekend? Cool beans. Eat like a bird. To eat very little. She eats like a bird, just a few bites and she's done. I don't know how she stays full. She eats like a bird. Eat like a horse. To eat a lot. He eats like a horse after his workouts. My brother eats like a horse but never gains weight. Full of beans. Very energetic and lively. The kids were full of beans after eating candy. She's always full of beans in the morning. Go bananas. To become very excited or angry. The crowd went bananas when the team won. My mom went bananas when she saw the mess in my room. Salt of the earth. A very good and honest person. He's the salt of the earth, always kind and helpful. That family is the salt of the earth. Spill the tea. To share gossip or secrets. Come on, spill the tea. What happened at the party? She loves spilling the tea about her coworkers. Walk on eggshells. To be very careful not to upset someone. I feel like I have to walk on eggshells whenever I talk to Sarah. She gets upset so easily. I don't have to walk on eggshells around him. Sell like hotcakes. To sell very quickly. The new iPhones are selling like hotcakes. Her homemade cookies sell like hotcakes at the fair. Pie in the sky. An unrealistic dream or promise. His idea of becoming a billionaire overnight is just pie in the sky. The politician's promises sound like pie in the sky. Have a bun in the oven. To be pregnant. They just announced that she has a bun in the oven. The actress tried to keep it secret that she had a bun in the oven. A bite to eat. A small meal or snack. Let's grab a bite to eat before the movie. I just need a bite to eat before heading out. Keep your eyes peeled. Stay alert and watch carefully. Keep your eyes peeled for any good deals at the store. Keep your eyes peeled, he should be arriving soon. Cherry pick. To choose only the best or most desirable things. The coach cherry-picked the best players for the team. She cherry-picks the easiest assignments and leaves the hard ones for others. Burnt to a crisp. Overcooked or completely ruined. The toast was burnt to a crisp. I stayed in the sun too long and got burnt to a crisp. Dangle a carrot. To offer a reward as motivation. The teacher dangled a carrot of extra points to encourage participation. The company dangled a carrot of a big bonus to increase sales. Buy a lemon. To buy something that doesn't work well, especially a car. I bought a lemon, my car keeps breaking down. His new phone stopped working in a day. He bought a lemon. Use your noodle. Use your brain, think. That's an easy puzzle, use your noodle. You should use your noodle before making decisions. Cool as a cucumber. Very calm. Even during the test, he was cool as a cucumber. She stayed cool as a cucumber in the argument.